Good morning. I am up at 6 o'clock to water the garden and water the plants. As you can see here, I'm trying to get the grass to grow out some more and to cover this area. So I transplanted some grass and dump up some dirt from the corner. I'll get more dirt and dump over there. But I'm trying to get the grass to come out a little bit more. The soil that you're seeing here is a lot of gravel, so I have to get dirt, topsoil, and dump it up so that it is much better. Right here you can see that the scallions have grown taller. I moved them from the corner right there beside the melons. They were being shaded too much and they needed some more sunlight. So I took the ones from the corner and moved them over here. It's just been a day, and as you can see, they have really sprung up very fast. So sunlight is really essential for these plants to grow. So these are the scallions. I'll see again tomorrow how high they get, and I plan to transplant them soon into that corner, or transplant more into a larger pot.